Hello, welcome back. My name is Robert with Occupancy Boost. And if you're watching this video, you've probably realized that your room descriptions or your property description in Booking.com has some errors and you want to get it fixed, and I'm going to show you how. Let me go really quick. I'm just going to, for some of the viewers, I just want to show what I'm talking about here. And I just went to a random hotel in Kansas City, Missouri. Good looking hotel, pulled it up here. This is their listing on Booking.com. Everybody's got a listing like this on Booking.com. And I'm going to scroll down here to this hotel. Great looking pictures, great amenities. The description down here is what this video is referencing. And a lot of times what owners and operators will discover, sometimes even after 2 years of being incorrect, they'll see that the hotel name is incorrect in here, or some of the amenities are incorrect. And the reason for that is Booking.com does not update these on a regular basis. You can go into Booking.com, you can change any of your amenities that you change at your hotel. You can update your amenities. However, you cannot update this information on Booking.com yourself. You have to request for them to do it, and they don't do it unless you ask them to. So if you change the name of your hotel could have the correct name on your listing, which, you know, most of the times it does, hopefully. But the description down here could reference a completely different hotel with a name you had maybe 2-3 years ago. And like I said, the amenities too. So it's important, you know, for operators and owners to look at this. If you're watching this video, you probably have already noticed something like that. So let me show you how to get this changed. I'm going to jump over to the extranet here, and I'm in the extranet for a property that we're working with. And what you'll want to do is go down to the property tab here. Okay, so I clicked on the property tab. Now, before you request this change, there's 2 areas that you should go through and double check or update if you have not updated these. One of them is your facilities and services, and the other one is your room amenities. Now, your facilities and services are your property amenities and everything you offer at your property. If you have not done this for your property in a while, or if you've never done it since you've changed names or renovated, very important to go through. Before they accept any requests that you give them, Booking.com, they're going to go back and they're going to make sure that this information has been marked in your extranet. So this information feeds to your listing automatically, but it's up to the owner and operator to get this stuff updated. So go to Facilities and Services, Room Amenities, update those 2 areas before you request this change. Once you have those updated, or if they're already correct and you just want to get your description changed, you're going to go scroll down here to view your descriptions, click on that, and it's going to bring you to your description for Booking.com like I just showed you in the last example, your property description. You scroll down here to the bottom and just type on request to fix. Found a typo, request to fix. And you're going to type in this little box down here what needs to be changed. Now, this change typically takes, what I've seen is around 2 to 3 days. It could take up to 6 days because they do have to translate this into multiple languages. And like I said, they're going to cross-reference your request with what's actually marked in your amenity sections that I just showed you in your extranet. That's for your property description. For your room descriptions, you scroll down a little bit further. It gives a description of what's showing up on Booking.com for each room type. And if you need anything changed in there, you just click on that tab there that says Request a Correction, and in the box, type out what needs change. Once you're finished with that, scroll to the very bottom and click on Request to Fix. Now, you just need to keep an eye on this for the next 6 days. You can check your inbox in the extranet for any messages from Booking.com. Typically, they'll message you when they're finished with all this to let you know. And then, obviously, you want to go online and just double check to make sure that all your requests were taken care of in the manner that you wanted them to. If you like this video, please feel free to comment and share this with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of other videos coming out. And I also have a step-by-step instructions in the description below this video that tell you exactly how to get this done. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon.